Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, today is the day 4 of my English speaking challenge, and guys, right now I come came to my mother house. So, my mother house is renovating. My mother is making third floor, so that's why I am standing here because in my phone there is no internet, there is no recharge. So, my brother know the password of Wi-Fi is another house, so that is connected only third floor. That's why in the morning time I came here to connect my Wi-Fi, to see my Instagram message, to see my WhatsApp message. Okay, because from in my ground floor there is no any network. If you are using Geo phones, so the network is very bad at my home. If you are using Airtel sim, that is amazing, you can use at my ground floor, but at the sim of Geo I cannot use there. So I'll just showing you that how it's everything. Like, there is no any stairs, so we are using this wooden stair to go upper upper side. And the outside weather is so foggy. I'll show you. I'll show you. Little bit foggy, and the timing was 7:30. And right now my sister go to his school, and I just came here and directly I will post it this video on my channel because I know I cannot download it, I cannot edit this video, so that's why I'm just uploading that video directly on my channel. So very good morning all of you. So these days the last December, 31st December, a very congratulations to everyone that you are going to enter in new year. So happy January, because tomorrow I will create a new videos for my channel, but today is the last 31st December, and I am very happy and super duper excited to celebrate new year and to enter in 2026. Okay, so if you have any resolutions, so you can share also with me. So tomorrow I am thinking to take new resolution with myself, that what should I want to do in 2026. Definitely I will do it. I will post it on my channel. And for that I'll just have one preparation in my mind, that anyhow I just have to improve my fluency, because I can speak this language, but the problem is coming when it comes to speaking fluent English. Somewhere I'm very stuck. Somewhere the person who is speaking this language, I am very underconfident. I am thinking hundred of the times of myself that should I speak here or not. So this also things are coming in my heart. Okay, so guys, I just want to go upper, but I cannot go because I cannot go. Okay, so I think I should st- stop my video here, because after that I have to upload it for wait here. So happy last 35 December, and so many people will celebrate it. So guys, बहुत अच्छे से रहो, खुश रहो, बहुत अच्छे से लाइफ एंजॉय करो. दैट इज़ ऑल आई वांटेड फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. सो बाय बाय.